parts, but I don't feel like editing it, really. I don't really edit most of my videos, so I like showing the video raw, so it's like, if I curse or I fuck up somewhere, I find that my videos are more interesting that way. But yeah, I mean, essentially, I don't really care. It's mostly for my entertainment, and for some people like it. But get a nice amount of solder on there. I'll probably clip that piece off. Okay, so it's gonna go, comes in here, goes in there, goes up. So the next one would be from here to there. I have so many of these, that's why I'm using these guys in the first place. Just because I have like multiples of these things. Get some good glob of solder on there. Try not to burn myself because this wire is getting hot. Oh, there we go. That's what I was looking for. Trying to find the hole, because all these pins have holes in them for, wires and stuff. It's easier to put it through the hole and I solder in place. Yeah, I'm trying not to inhale these gases. One of these days I'm going to make that mask thingy. 35-minute video. Yeah, this might be my longest video ever. But yeah, one of the reasons that I don't put it in like 2-part videos is because no one really wants to watch 2 parts. You know what I mean? Unless it's something super interesting, like comic books or glitch videos about glitches in video games. There's a lot of interesting videos out there, but I think when it's something like this, it's better to be in one shot. I think there's a lot of things that are better in one shot if you catch my drift. I'm bad, I know. Anyways, this video is getting very long, 36 minutes. It's probably going to be 37 minutes soon anyways. Why am I trying to do that? Whoa, I just nearly dropped my soldering iron there on this tablecloth, quote-unquote tablecloth actually, because I actually think it's drapes for a shower curtain. I'm not the one that decided to put shower curtain drapes on my table and use them as a tablecloth. It looks like a tablecloth, but it's not. But it works. I don't even use this table really, except for what I'm using it for right now, until I close off my back porch so that I can do fun shit on my back porch. Down going right here. That's why I do to my. Anyways, yeah, I don't know how much longer this video is going to be, because I might not do the. No, I'll probably do it anyways. I mean, I've done the video already 37 minutes. Good thing I cleared up my the space on my phone long ago. I have like several gigs of space on my phone, unlike I used to have, where I had to do short videos because I didn't have the proper space. Yeah, this is going to be fun. Trying to put this on YouTube tonight. Shit. I broke the solder connection. Shit. It's funny, I was going to take my shower before I decided to do this. What is that dude's name from the EVV blog? Well, anyways, he's a cool dude. And recently I tried to make some kind of video for old tech. I tried to set it up with a local YouTube creator, Fran Blanche, and I guess she wasn't really interested. She's probably too busy. Yeah, maybe for the future I'll do it. Shit, I didn't even fucking solder that in place. But yeah, I'm still gonna do the talking about old tech. First off my list is going to be rotary phones. I found this rotary phone in this local yard sale for like $3. And it's really old school. It's like, it doesn't even have those that particular jack that we're used to. You know, the little cube thing that you use and you plug it into the phone jack. It's before that. It has this like square thing with like little sort of tongs that come out of it, and I'm assuming you take off the front plate and you sort of plug it in like a you know, like a receptacle plug. I think my soldering iron is starting to run out of fluid, so I think I'm almost done this anyways. Let's see, so it goes down over, so plus to minus, so I need a short one. Yeah, this video is getting very long, almost 42 minutes. So yeah, I might finish this video soon. Maybe in another video I'll show you the finished product with this guy. So yeah, you know what? I'm gonna end the video. See you guys in the next video. I know this video didn't end up being a short video. It ended up being nearly 42 minutes. Actually, it's pretty much 42 minutes now. Subscribe, like, comment. I always like suggestions. And remember, if you don't have good things to say, don't say them at all. Because if I don't like your comment, since I control this channel, I will delete it. And if you're nasty enough, I'll block your ass. But anyways, oh, funny story before I close this video. The guy who ended up being my 19th subscriber couldn't quite make his mind up whether or not he wanted to subscribe to my channel. So he unsubscribed, then he resubscribed, and recently he subscribed again. I don't know, it doesn't make sense to me either. But anyways, that's it. Have a nice day. Have a nice evening and all that other stuff. See you in the next video.